Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today another WP XACT Pro 6500 kit was finished. This is being mounted to a 2022 Husqvarna TX300i. The rider does motocross, and as we know, that bike is set up more for off-road riding. And he also wanted to get away from the stock air fork. So this setting was revalved to match the firmer springs that we utilized. We use 5.0 Newton meter springs. This rider is 6'6" and 210 pounds, and he is a amateur / novice motocross rider. It also comes with our JBI suspension settings guide. He also sent in his rear shock as well. So what this guide does is it recommends him the baseline settings to set the suspension to, which has been highlighted, and also the baseline setting that the shock has already been configured to as well. These cartridges are already bled. They're ready to be mounted into the forks. The springs have been assembled to the cartridges along with the correct preload spacer as well. The additional spacers, which are not used, are still included with the kit, along with the tools that come with it as well. These XACT kits can be configured in many different settings, whether it's a motocross setting, off-road setting, arena cross, supercross, free ride, you name it. They adapt really well to different settings. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com. Thank you for watching.